Alright, so I just wanted to show this build like partway through. It's not finished yet, but I wanted to show it when it was halfway through, so maybe it'll help somebody else that's building this frame. So this is the Ummagawd frame, and it went together easier than I thought. I mean, once I really watched the video of how it's assembled, really the only tough parts is actually getting these damn nuts inside of here, these two pieces, and then the other two right there on the camera plates. And it was just a pain in the ass, man, because you gotta like take a little file and file away at it, and then try to push the nut in, and then take it out, file some more, and then try to push the nut in. I mean, I don't understand why they didn't have it already filed out, you know, to where it would fit in there perfectly. I mean, I guess they didn't want to waste the time that it would take, because it took me like a couple hours just to get those 4 nuts in. But once you get those in, the rest of the frame goes together just very nicely. It was nice of them to already have the press fit nuts pushed into these plates, so I didn't have to do that. But so here's what I got. This is the DYS F4 Pro flight controller. We got the RunCam Split 2, and I'm just using some long M3 screws. You run through the top here, and then I'm using an M3 nut as a spacer. On this DYS FC, I trimmed down those pins just to get them out of the way. Those are the pins that would go for like the 4-in-1s that DYS makes, but I don't use them, so I just trim them down. And then you can get your stack nice and low, and it needs to be on this one because you don't have a ton of room, especially if you're having a 2-stack. So you're most likely gonna have a 2-stack if you're using a 4-in-1 or a split. So I haven't really checked that it was gonna fit yet, but I really like this little piece here too that holds the battery strap, or the battery wires. It's pretty nice. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work after I trim these down. Yeah, it's gonna fit in there perfect. It's not like it's a real tight build. You do have plenty of room if you build it right. If you just try to slap it together without thinking about anything, then it's not going to work, because you only get like 20 millimeters, I think, maybe 25, I don't know, I'd have to check, but I want to make sure that this is all going to fit. Okay, that's pushed down. Alright, let's check. I love how this bottom part just flips out too. I mean, all you have to do is take out these 2 screws. Once you have them in there, you just take those 2 screws out, and this bottom piece just flips right down. But yeah, it's like just perfect fit. Once I get it all tightened up, it's gonna be just perfect. I actually still have probably 4 or 5 millimeters underneath the split there, probably for the VTX, or I'm not sure yet. I still haven't thought about where I'm going to put the VTX and receiver. Probably the receiver underneath the split, and make it to where the bind button is, you're able to get to it through one of these holes, and maybe the VTX down there too. I mean, you got this whole bottom plate right here that you can put stuff, you know. But then you also have like this space right here, and that's about it though. These ESCs worked out perfect too. These are the Emax Bullet Pro 35 amp. They're the exact same width as the arms, so that worked out. These aren't BL Heli 32, they're BL Heli S, but they have these little LEDs on them like the BL Heli 32 ESCs do. I'm not sure what's up with that, but it's kind of cool. I haven't plugged power in yet, but it's basically all wired up. Just need to plug in. Got the VTX plug, and then I got the receiver wires. Find somewhere to put the buzzer, and this thing's done. You also got a really nice battery holder type thing here. I'm not sure what screw goes here. Maybe nothing, I don't know, but there's a cutout on this battery holder for it. I don't know, but the other cutouts for this screw. Just like that. That's really nice for your batteries. Man, this frame is so nice. I love having the stack on the bottom, and it's just so well protected too. Got the skid wheels. Pretty cool. Split camera fit in here perfect using the supplied adapter, since this does fit a full-size camera. Completely protected. Still need to put the standoffs in and stuff. But man, that is really nice. And these motors, man, these motors are so beautiful. Gotta wipe them down for fingerprints. They get fingerprints on them so easy. Get all those smears. Alright, well, that's about all I got. Any questions, let me know.